Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you tips on how to grow your curly hair out. Now, to be honest, curly hair, the rules for curly hair are a little bit different where if you had like straight hair. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some tips that I'm going to like really reincorporate back into my routine, because I don't know if some of you know, I don't know, but I cut about 2 inches off of my hair. So I really want to grow it back out really long. Like a couple years ago, I had it really long. Like that was like the longest my hair has ever been. And I want to get back to that. So we are going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so number one tip is I used to do this all the time and I stopped. I don't know why, but it is using a scalp massager. One is from Vanity Planet, and I've had this for a really long time. If you guys have seen this on my channel before, I used to use this all the time when it came to shampooing my hair, also just giving me like little scalp massages. I love this one so much because it vibrates and it feels so good on your scalp. In case you didn't know, doing some type of scalp massage definitely helps increase the blood flow to your scalp and also will help you out with hair growth. So I absolutely love this one. The teeth on this are rubbery, so they're very soft on your scalp. It's not going to scratch your scalp or anything like that. You guys know I have an extremely sensitive scalp, so I can't play around with this kind of stuff. I absolutely love this. There will be a coupon code and a link down below if you guys are curious and you want to check it out. But I'm definitely going to incorporate this back into my routine because I used to love it so much and I want to get my curls back long and luscious. So I definitely will be incorporating this back in my routine. Okay, so number two, I used to do this years ago because this is what I did. I thought back to when my hair was really long. What was I doing? What was I doing then that I'm not doing now? So I'm sure you guys are going to remember this, but this is hot oil treatments. Like I used to do hot oil treatments all the time in my hair. I can make a specific video about hot oil treatments if you guys would like. And share with you my little cocktail that I use now for my hot oil treatments. I've been doing it this last month, and I just absolutely love the way that it is just starting to transform my scalp. First of all, you guys know I'm on the journey to a very healthy scalp, and it just makes your hair like so much softer. And honestly, like it's weird because now with oils and stuff we are incorporating heat, like we're using like using a plastic baggie, or we're using like the Q-Redo, it's like a hair steamer, or we're using like hot caps, conditioning caps. But back then we used to just heat up the oil and put it on your hair. So I am definitely going to start doing that again. Well, I have been, but I'm definitely going to continue to use hot oil treatments on my hair because so far the results are great and it's just so good for your hair. So I definitely am going to get back to my hot oil treatments. Now, number three, I don't have them on me yet because they are coming. I bought them, so they're coming from Amazon. I will leave links down below, of course. But it's hair vitamins. I've talked to you guys a ton about hair vitamins here on my channel. I personally don't feel that you need to spend a lot of money on hair vitamins. I don't feel that you need to buy the mainstream type of products to get results. You can just go to the drugstore and purchase some vitamins. The ones that I used to use to grow my hair really long was biotin and folic acid. I will have those again linked down below. But of course, vitamins do help with your hair growth, but you need to remember that you're not going to see miracles. Basically, vitamins, all you're doing is supplementing for a deficiency that you have for like the vitamins that your hair needs to grow. So if you don't have a deficiency, or you have a really good balanced diet, then of course you're not going to see any dramatic results. So keep that in mind with the hair growth pills. Next is, I'm sure you guys have noticed this if you've been watching me for a long time, but a long time ago I used to use coconut oil in my routines, like washing, like styling my hair. I used to add coconut oil in my hair. I stopped doing that, and I feel that has made a difference because when you're growing your hair out, you need to also retain your length, which means that you're not doing anything that's going to like hurt your long hair as it is now. Like you're trying to not like have the ends break off. You're trying to keep the ends really healthy. And for me, coconut oil worked so well for my curls. So I definitely need to incorporate that back into my hair routine for sure. And I plan on doing that kind of like from here on out. Is putting coconut oil back in my hair. It just made my hair so much more manageable, so much softer. I think my hair really, really thrived with coconut oil. So I'm definitely going to incorporate coconut oil back into my hair routine. And lastly, I know this is so easy, but honestly is deep conditioning. I used to deep condition like once a week, and now I probably do it like once a month, every other month. To be honest, I don't deep condition as much as I used to, and I know I need to get back on deep conditioning my hair regularly because deep conditioning just does wonders for your curls. So I wanted to share with you guys things that I'm going to be incorporating back on my hair journey. I do want to grow my hair out back how I used to have it like a few years ago, like ridiculously long. And I want to kind of even out my shape a little bit more. So those are just kind of like tips for me that I am going to kind of use going forward, and maybe you guys can incorporate those back into your hair routine, just because I know for me it worked miracles for me back then. So I'm going to take my own advice and start getting back on all that stuff. So if you guys have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comment box down below, and I will catch you guys in my next video.